Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jason here at Buick GMC. We are checking out this 2024 Chevy Blazer with only 15,000 miles on it. All right, let's take a look inside. Push button start and a large LCD screen giving you command of the entertainment and settings of your vehicle. And in the middle console up front, we have a USB-C and USB-A and wireless charging for compatible devices. Here at the rear of the console, we have a USB-C and a USB-A charging port. As always, guys, thanks for taking the time, taking a walk around with me. For more information, visit us on the web at morebuick.com or visit us here in Jacksonville, North Carolina at Buick GMC.